Uh, so I found an antique vintage bike. This one is a Free Spirit from Sears from the 60s. This is let's see if I can, this is the original front decal. And this is I don't know, there's a serial number on it too. So I don't quite know how to restore this job, but I think this is one I can do. It's got, everything is original, like this seat. It's original, I think it's like a plastic rubber or something. It's got the original grips. It's a Sears bicycle. Original basket. Original pedals. Everything is original. Tires are original. And so I think I might be able to, I don't think I'm going to go into the hub. I don't know that I need to go into a hub. It's a single speed with a coaster. I think just grease. And then this axle, not the axle, but the crank. I don't think I'm going to go into the crank. And I think this axle is fine. I'm debating whether or not I can keep these tires. I know a lot of people say the tires are toast. And the only thing about that is like I won't be able to find another tire. I'm trying to think of how I can get the rust off. The nipples, I'm worried about taking out the spokes to clean the rim because the nipples look like they're so old that they'll break. I don't know what to do about, like, it looks like this decal is on its way out. I don't know what to do about, like, some people wouldn't give it a new paint job. I don't know where I'd find this decal. I think I'd probably have to replicate it because I can't even find this bicycle online. And this decal here is fairly salvageable. This one here is kind of toast. This bicycle is actually made in Canada. This decal up here has a giant rust spot on it. And I'm trying to think like how to deal with the rust. So some people wouldn't do a rust job onto it. Some people would just put rust converter on it and then clear coat it. That's one possibility. I think if I went in and gave it a new paint, stripped the paint off, if it gave it a new paint job, then I have to find or make a new decal. But I'm wondering if I could leave the original decal, and maybe this is where somebody else can give me some advice. Leave the original decal, or try to salvage as much of the original decal as possible. Here, for example, where it's like there's a rust spot right here on this decal. I could I also don't know how bad the paint's moving, the rust is moving under the paint. But I could technically try to deal with the rust here with some rust converter and then just like mock this up with some white. Although I can't do it here, for example. I don't know what to do there. I could just do rust converter and then clear coat. Maybe dab in some blue or white and then clear coat. This one here, the fenders are rusted, but they're like plated. It's like some sort of plating job. And this part of all of this rusted. It's like some sort of metal plated onto another thing of metal. I don't know that I could polish this out. And then there's rust under the plating. So I could probably strip this, whatever this is, maybe with like a steel brush or something, and then I could paint it. Maybe that would diminish what it's worth. This one here, same thing. Like try to get this off and clear coat it. Maybe polish. Like if I try to polish this, it's just gonna look like crap. I want to leave as much of it as original as possible. It's got the original pedals. The coaster brake works. I might it's got a spot to put a brake on. I don't know if I can get another brake onto this. I might put a brake on it doesn't really have a spot to put a brake on the front though. So, yeah. If anyone has any advice on how to do this job as best as possible, you can let me know. I definitely don't want to get too crazy on it, but I'll do this vlog and just do it in my regular style of not editing anything and just work on it and share some ideas while I'm working on it. It's kind of cool though.